A number is divisible by 2 if the ones digit is a 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. That means it's an even number. The ones digit, let's say you have a 3-digit number, the number in that position there is the ones digit. Divisibility rule for 3. Sum of the digits is divisible by 3. So if you have the number 1, 4, 1, 1 plus 4 plus 1 is 6. 6 is divisible by 3, so that means that 3 will go into 141 without a remainder. 4. The number's last 2 digits is divisible by 4. So if you have the number 816, the last 2 digits, 16, 4 will divide into 16. That means 816 is divisible by 4. 5. The last digit or the ones digit is a 0 or a 5. 6 uses rule 2 and 3. It must be even, and the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. 8 is similar to 4, except you look at the last 3 digits, 436. So the last 3 digits here is 436. If 8 goes into 436, then 8 will go into 1436. Now, you're going to have to do long division because I don't have any tricks for if you can easily tell 8 goes into 436. On the GMAT and EA, you do not have very large numbers, so for 8, I would probably just do long division on the whole number instead of worrying about the last 3. That's up to you. 9 is similar to 3. Sum of digits is divisible by 9. 10, the ones digit is a 0. 10, 20. If you have the number 1040, anytime that ones digit is a 0. And let me explain the rule for 11. If you have a 3-digit number and you sum the first number and the last number and you get that number in the middle, it's divisible by 11. 2 plus 5 is 7, and sure enough, that's what shows up in the middle. If I have a 198, 1 plus 8 is 9, and it shows up there.